Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect BitStamp right here in Bookmap. And if you want to do this, we go right here to settings and we select manage plugins, and then we search right here for BitStamp, and there it is. Then we click right here on install, and then right now he's installing BitStamp, and now it's ready to use. So we click on the cross, go to connections, configure, and then we click on add connection, and then we select right here add platform. Let's see, where is it? There it is, BitStamp. And now we do right here OK. And if we now go to connections and select BitStamp, he is loading right here BitStamp, and now you can see right here BS, so BitStamp is connected. So this is exactly how you can connect Bookmap to BitStamp. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.